BMW Motorrad just announced its 2027 lineup, and the touring motorcycle world is paying attention. A redesigned R1300RT with 145 horsepower, a new EVO Telelever suspension, active cruise control, frontal collision warning, lane change warning, and an optional automatic shift assistant, all standard on a machine priced at $22,495 plus destination. The R1300GS continues with its new monocoque rear frame. The K1600 GTL gets a new style edition too. The R1300RS receives new luggage options. BMW came into 2027 with a full lineup update, and the motorcycle press is calling it one of the most comprehensive redesigns the touring segment has seen in years. But here is the part of this story that BMW's marketing department is not going to tell you. Every time BMW launches a new generation, something specific happens in the used market, and it happens fast. The riders who were waiting to sell their R1250RT to buy the new R1300RT are now listing their machines. The dealers who took R1250GS and R1200RT trade-ins when the new model arrived are trying to move that inventory, and the used market prices on last-generation BMW touring machines are doing exactly what they always do when a new BMW generation arrives. They are falling. Today on BikeNexus, I am going to show you exactly which BMW touring machines just got cheaper because of the 2027 launch, exactly how much they dropped, and exactly which ones deserve your money at the new prices, and which ones you should still avoid regardless of how low the price goes. If you are new here, subscribe now. This channel finds the machines the market forgot and the prices that make them impossible to ignore. This video is about the machines the market is being forced to let go of because something newer just arrived. And for the buyer who has been waiting for the right moment on a BMW touring machine, that moment may be right now. Let us go. First, BMW Motorrad USA announced the 2027 R1300RT with specifications that represent the most significant update to BMW's touring flagship since the original R1200RT launched over 2 decades ago. The new machine carries a 1300cc liquid-cooled boxer twin, producing 145 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque. To put those numbers in context, the R1200RT that preceded it produced 125 horsepower. BMW found 20 additional horsepower through the 1300cc displacement increase and redesigned heads. That is not an incremental update. That is a genuine generational step in output. The new EVO Telelever front suspension and EVO Telelever rear suspension represent BMW's latest iteration of the proprietary suspension architecture that has defined the RT's handling character since the original Telelever appeared on the R1200RT in 1993. The EVO designation means redesigned geometry for greater stability, specifically tuned for the R1300RT's weight and output characteristics, rather than carried over from the previous platform. The standard equipment list includes things that competing manufacturers offer as expensive optional packages. Active cruise control that uses radar to maintain following distance behind other vehicles automatically. Frontal collision warning that alerts the rider when closing speed on the vehicle ahead creates a collision risk. Lane change warning that monitors blind spots and alerts the rider to vehicles in adjacent lanes. A 10.25-inch TFT color display with full connectivity. 3 standard riding modes, rain, road, and ECO. And an optional dynamic suspension adjustment system that adjusts damping electronically between comfort and dynamic settings while riding. The optional automatic shift assistant eliminates the clutch lever entirely on equipped examples. The same technology BMW introduced on the GS and then brought across to the RT for riders who want the comfort of clutchless shifting without the weight and complexity of a full dual-clutch transmission. At $22,495 plus $1,095 destination, the new R1300RT is a genuinely impressive machine at a genuinely significant price. And that price is the entire reason this video exists. Because the used market has a very specific reaction to $23,500 of new BMW touring machine arriving on dealer floors. It reprices everything that came before it. Second two. This is not theory. This is documented market behavior. When BMW launched the R1250RT in 2019, the used price of clean R1200RT examples dropped between 15 and 25% within the first 6 months of the new machine's availability. The same pattern repeated when BMW launched the R1300GS in 2024. Clean R1250GS examples that were holding at $14,000 before the launch were appearing at $11,000 and $12,000 within months of the new machine's arrival. The R1300RT launched in late 2025 and arrived at dealers in significant numbers by early 2026. CycleTrader is currently listing 2019 R1250RT examples, machines that sold for $18,300 new, between $8,000 and $12,000. A 2017 R1200RT that sold for $18,100 new is appearing on CycleTrader at $5,000 to $7,000 right now. Verify those numbers on CycleTrader today. The depreciation curve on BMW touring machines when a new generation arrives is one of the most consistent pricing patterns in the used motorcycle market. And the 2027 announcements confirming that the R1300RT, R1300GS, K1600GTL, and R1300RS all continue forward as the current lineup, have clarified for the market exactly which machines are now the previous generation. That clarification is what creates the opportunity. Machine number 1. The R1200RT is the machine that the R1300RT was built to replace, 2 generations removed from the current flagship. And the used prices on clean, documented examples right now reflect exactly that positioning in the market. CycleTrader lists a 2017 R1200RT at $5,999, a 2016 at $6,499, a 2015 at $5,999. These are machines that sold for $17,000 to $18,100, new depending on year and specification. Someone absorbed over $11,000 in depreciation, so you do not have to. The R1200RT carries the 1170cc air and liquid-cooled boxer twin, the same fundamental architecture that BMW has been refining for decades, producing 125 horsepower in a platform that experienced riders consistently describe with 4 words: never let me down. That is the R1200RT's documented ownership reputation. Not our words. The words of owners who put serious miles on this machine before the R1300RT existed and the used price dropped. The EVO Telelever and EVO Telelever on the R1200RT, available from 2013 when BMW introduced the updated suspension geometry, give this platform the same fundamental handling advantage over conventional telescopic forks that defines the entire RT character. Front-end dive under braking is virtually eliminated. The handlebars stay neutral. The rider's weight stays on the seat. At $6,000 used, that suspension engineering represents one of the most significant value propositions in the used touring market right now. Target the 2013 and later models specifically. BMW addressed the final drive issues that affected some earlier R1200RT examples with the 2013 update. And the liquid-cooled cylinder heads that arrived in 2010 gave this platform the consistent operating temperatures that the purely air-cooled earlier Boxer generations did not have in extreme conditions. The 2015 through 2018 examples represent the fully sorted generation. All known issues addressed, all updates incorporated, at prices that the R1300RT's arrival pushed to $6,000. Before you buy a used R1200RT. A pre-purchase inspection by a BMW familiar independent mechanic with diagnostic access is non-negotiable. Budget $150 to $200. Verify the final drive shaft gear oil service history. The telelever and paralever linkage should show no fluid seepage at any pivot point. Any seepage means deferred maintenance and $200 to $300 off your offer. And confirm the ABS system function. Any warning lights need diagnosis before you commit to anything. $6,000, $17,000 new, $11,000 of depreciation that the 2027 launch just accelerated. The machine the touring community calls "Never Let Me Down," at a price that makes no sense next to what it is. Machine number 2. This is the machine that sat one generation ahead of the R1200RT and one generation behind the R1300RT. And the R1300RT's arrival has created its most interesting used market price point in the platform's existence. The R1250RT carries the 1254cc shift cam boxer twin, BMW's variable valve timing system, that arrived specifically to deliver stronger low RPM torque without sacrificing top-end output. The shift cam system moves the intake camshaft to change valve timing and lift simultaneously, based on throttle position and engine load, producing a power delivery that riders consistently describe as more flexible than the R1200RT's fixed cam boxer at every point in the RPM range. 136 horsepower, shaft drive, dynamic traction control, hill start control, and multiple riding modes as standard. The R1250RT is the machine that the touring press called the best all-around BMW touring motorcycle ever produced when it launched in 2019. Not the most powerful, the best all-around. And clean used examples are now appearing on CycleTrader between $8,000 and $12,000. A 2019 that sold for $18,300 new. A 2021 at $10,000 to $12,000. A 2023 at $12,000 to $14,000. Verify these prices on CycleTrader and MotoHunt right now. The R1300RT's arrival at $23,500 did something specific to R1250RT used pricing. It created a gap. The new machine costs $9,000 to $15,000 more than a documented used R1250RT. And the used R1250RT delivers 136 horsepower, shift cam variable valve timing, telelever suspension, shaft drive, and the full BMW touring specification. All of it. The gap between $23,500 new and $9,000 used is the opportunity the 2027 launch created for buyers who were already considering BMW's touring lineup. Before you buy, the shift cam system on the R1250RT requires specific diagnostic equipment to verify correct function. Confirm the cam timing transition is smooth at low to mid RPM acceleration, and verify there are no fault codes stored in the ECU. A BMW familiar independent mechanic with diagnostic access is mandatory on this purchase. Budget $150 to $200 for the pre-purchase inspection. Verify shaft drive gear oil service and the full service history at BMW's specified intervals. The R1250RT rewards attentive ownership and reveals neglect faster than simpler alternatives. $9,000, $18,300 new. The best all-around BMW touring motorcycle ever produced according to the press that reviewed it. Made more affordable by the machine that just replaced it. Machine number 3, the R1300GS, launched in 2024, with a new monocoque rear frame, updated EVO Telelever and EVO Paralever suspension, and a matrix LED headlight that physically rotates into corners. The Adventure Touring Press covered it extensively, and the R1250GS Adventure, which is the full specification Adventure model with the larger fuel tank, the stronger suspension, and the complete electronics package, has been repriced by the used market in response. Clean R1250GS Adventure examples are appearing on CycleTrader and MotoHunt between $10,000 and $15,000 right now. A 2019 that sold for $20,745 new plus destination. A 2021 at $12,000 to $14,000. Verify these. The R1250GS Adventure carried the full shift cam boxer at 136 horsepower in the Adventure chassis with the 7.9-gallon fuel tank, long travel EVO suspension, full electronics package including dynamic ESA, and the complete protection equipment, engine guard, handguards, and crash bars as standard on the Adventure specification. For buyers who want BMW's Adventure flagship and can live without the new monocoque frame and matrix headlight of the R1300GS, the R1250GS Adventure, at $12,000, represents a pricing opportunity that the R1300GS's arrival created, and that will not last indefinitely as inventory is absorbed. Before you buy, the R1250GS Adventure has the same shift cam system requiring the same diagnostic verification as the R1250RT. A pre-purchase inspection by a BMW familiar independent mechanic is mandatory. Verify the ESA suspension function through all its modes. Any fault codes or failure to adjust means diagnostic time before purchase. Check the shaft drive gear oil service history and confirm the complete electronic suite functions correctly: riding modes, traction control, ABS Pro, hill start control. Every system that works is a standard expectation on this machine. Every system that does not is a negotiating point. $12,000, $20,745 new. The full shift cam Boxer Adventure flagship, made more affordable by the machine BMW just launched to replace it. Fourth, not every BMW that got cheaper because of the 2027 launch deserves your money at the new price. The BMW K1600 GT and K1600 GTL first-generation examples, the 2011 through 2013 production years specifically, are appearing at prices that look compelling after the new Style Edition 2 K1600 models were announced for 2027. Do not buy the 2011 through 2013 K1600 GT or GTL at any price without a complete, documented service history and a pre-purchase inspection that specifically checks the starter system and fuel pump. A 15-motorcycle veteran owner documented his first-generation K1600 experience on the BMW forum with specific language that every potential buyer needs to read. Starter switch failure, stranded, covered by BMW. Starter gear clutch failure, $900 out of pocket. Fuel pump recall notice. BMW MOA forum members confirmed that 2011 and 2012 examples had the highest concentration of early production issues across the K1600 lineup. The 2015 and 2016 examples are sorted machines that this channel has consistently recommended as genuine value. The 2011 through 2013 examples are first-generation complex electronics on a platform that was still being sorted. The price drop created by the 2027 K1600 Style Edition announcement does not change the first generation's documented early production problem history. It just makes the price look more attractive before you read the forum thread. Target 2015 and later on the K1600. Walk away from 2013 and earlier regardless of how far the price has dropped. The 2027 BMW lineup announcement did exactly what every BMW generation launch does to the used market. It created winners and it created traps. The winners are the documented, sorted, previous generation machines that the new launch pushed to prices that do not reflect their engineering. The R1200RT at $6,000. The R1250RT at $9,000. The R1250GS Adventure at $12,000. All three made cheaper by a new BMW that costs between $9,000 and $18,000 more than what they are now asking for on the used market. The trap is the early production first-generation K1600 that looks cheap because the 2027 Style Edition was just announced, but that carries a documented early production problem history that a lower price does not fix. Buy the R1200RT at $6,000 with documentation. Buy the R1250RT at $9,000 with a pre-purchase inspection. Buy the R1250GS Adventure at $12,000 with a BMW familiar mechanic and a complete service record. Walk away from the 2011 through 2013 K1600, regardless of what the seller is asking, until you have read the forum thread about the $900 starter gear clutch bill and decided you can live with that risk. BMW just shocked every other touring brand with the 2027 lineup, and used bike buyers just got handed the most significant BMW pricing opportunity in the past 5 years. If this video helped you understand exactly what the 2027 BMW launch means for your used market budget, hit that like button. It costs you nothing and it tells YouTube to show this to every rider who is about to buy a BMW without knowing which year to target and which one to avoid. Subscribe to BikeNexus. Every week we find the machines the market forgot and the prices that make them impossible to ignore. The 2027 BMW launch just created the opportunity. Buy smart, not by model year. See you next time.